Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a chapter from our joyful mathematics of class 1. The chapter name is What is long, what is round? Look around.
Look around.
Vidya Didi asked all the children
Vidya Didi asked all the children
to sit in a circle.
to sit in a circle.
What is round? What is long? What is round? Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. My pencil box is long and my ball is round. My pencil box is long and my ball is round. Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. My legs are long and my face is round. My legs are long and my face is round. Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. Ask children
Ask children
to play this game in the class.
to play this game in the class.
Let the children name two things,
Let the children name two things,
one long
one long
and one round.
and one round.
Every time
Every time
they can take the name of a new thing
they can take the name of a new thing
and avoid repetition.
and avoid repetition.
For long objects,
For long objects,
children may focus on one dimension
children may focus on one dimension
like tall,
like tall,
wide,
wide,
etc.
etc.
For example,
For example,
some may say
some may say
a tumbler is long,
a tumbler is long,
whereas
whereas
for some others
for some others
it may be round.
it may be round.
Both views need to be considered.
Both views need to be considered.
Let children explain
Let children explain
their logic of saying so.
their logic of saying so.
Think and do.
Think and do.
A.
A.
Draw round objects in circle
Draw round objects in circle
and long objects in rectangle.
and long objects in rectangle.
B.
B.
Match the objects
Match the objects
which are similar in shape.
which are similar in shapes.
C.
C.
Take the shape
Take the shape
which is similar to ball.
which is similar to ball.
D.
D.
Take the shape
Take the shape
which is similar to cap.
which is similar to cap.
E.
E.
Take the shape
Take the shape
which is similar to glass.
which is similar to glass.
F.
F.
Take the shape
Take the shape
which is similar to matchbox.
which is similar to
Let us do.
Let us do.
Make a house,
Make a house,
toy,
toy,
tower,
tower,
robot,
robot,
bus or anything you like
bus or anything you like
using different objects in your surroundings.
using different objects in your surroundings.
You can also use notebooks,
You can also use notebooks,
books,
books,
pencil box,
pencil box,
water bottle,
water bottle,
waste or old boxes,
waste or old boxes,
birthday caps,
birthday caps,
funnels,
funnels,
etc.
etc.
Divide the children in 4 groups.
Divide the children in 4 groups.
Give one shape to each group
Give one shape to each group
and ask children to bring 2 different
and ask children to bring 2 different
used or waste objects
used or waste objects
similar to that shape.
similar to that shape.
Display all the collected things in the classroom
Display all the collected things in the classroom
and let children share their things
and let children share their things
and the reason why they choose
and the reason why they choose
those particular things.
those particular things.
Wise grandmother.
Wise grandmother.
Once there was a little lamb
Once there was a little lamb
who was going to meet her grandmother.
who was going to meet her grandmother.
The wolf saw the lamb
The wolf saw the lamb
and wanted to catch her.
and wanted to catch her.
Please don't eat me now.
Please don't eat me now.
Let me first go to my grandmother's place
Let me first go to my grandmother's place
and grow big.
and grow big.
Okay,
Okay,
you may go.
you may go.
The lamb told everything about the wolf
The lamb told everything about the wolf
to her grandmother.
to her grandmother.
The grandmother got an idea
The grandmother got an idea
and put the lamb into a dholak
and put the lamb into a dholak
and rolled it back to her house.
and rolled it back to her house.
Read aloud the story
Read aloud the story
and ask children to enact it.
and ask children to enact it.
The dholak rolled very fast
The dholak rolled very fast
and the wolf started running behind it.
and the wolf started running behind it.
The wolf could not catch the lamb
The wolf could not catch the lamb
and she reached home safely.
and she reached home safely.
Let children reason out why
Let children reason out why
the dholak rolled.
the dholak rolled.
Arrange a discussion about its shape
Arrange a discussion about its shape
and the slopy
and the slopy
or inclined surface
or inclined surface
from the jungle to the lamb's house.
from the jungle to the lamb's house.
Let us slide.
Let us slide.
Children are playing carom
Children are playing carom
as shown below.
as shown below.
You can also play and see how
You can also play and see how
a striker slides to reach the corner.
a striker slides to reach the corner.
My striker,
My striker,
Goti,
Goti,
rolled instead of sliding.
rolled instead of sliding.
A.
A.
Write R for rolling objects
Write R for rolling objects
and S for sliding objects
and S for sliding objects
in the circle given in the below picture.
in the circle given in the below picture.
B. Collect different objects
Collect different objects
from your surroundings
from your surroundings
and see if they roll or slide.
and see if they roll or slide.
C.
See,
Do you see things
do you see things
which can do both
which can do both
roll and slide?
roll and slide?
If yes,
If yes,
discuss in the class.
discuss in the class.
Ask children to tell about
Ask children to tell about
different objects in their house or school
different objects in their house or school
which roll as well as slide.
which roll as well as slide.
Also discuss which features
Also discuss which features
of the objects help them to roll or slide
of the objects help them to roll or slide
on a plane surface.
on a plane surface.
Think and do.
Think and do.
Find whether the following objects
Find whether the following objects
roll,
roll,
slide,
slide,
or do both.
or do both.
Put tick or cross.
Put tick or cross.
Object
Object
rolls,
rolls,
slides,
slides,
rolls as well as slides.
rolls as well as slides.
Project work.
Project work.
A. Collect cardboard boxes
Collect cardboard boxes
like shoe boxes,
like shoe boxes,
empty food boxes,
empty food boxes,
fruit boxes,
fruit boxes,
etc.
etc.
Make a slit on front of the box
Make a slit on front of the box
and draw eyes,
and draw eyes,
mouth and nose.
mouth and nose.
Make a puppet
Make a puppet
with help of your parent or teacher
with the help of your parent or teacher
and play with it.
and play with it.
Make puppets from your favorite stories
Make puppets from your favorite stories
and do a puppet show in your classroom.
and do a puppet show in your classroom.
B.
B.
Make towers with different objects.
Make towers with different objects.
Find which shape of objects
Find which shape of objects
make taller and stable towers.
make taller and stable towers.